Hey, yo, what's up, good people? My name is Rayboy KE. Welcome back to Young TV Kenya. On today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 good dance moves, and let's get into the video. Pause. Let's get it, guys. Fast things fast. So today I'm gonna start with a power move. You know, you guys, you don't wanna miss out on this. You don't wanna miss this lesson. And let's get into our dance move. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. And 1, 2, 3. And so, guys, in this style, what you have to do, you have to include your arms, your waist, and your legs. As you are hitting your arms and reversing them, you have to move with your waist. 1, 2, 3, and then you move back. 1, 2, 3. Let's get it. So I'm gonna do it in a slow motion so that you can get to understand and to learn something. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I can see you're learning something. 2, 3. Let's go. 2, 3. More energy. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And that is it. So we're gonna go to our second style, and this is how it goes. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh, that's how our second style looks like. It is just a simple stuff like that. You just make a wave with your right hand twice, and then you come to your left side, you do the same thing twice, and that's the whole story. Let's get into it. 5, 6, 7, go in a slow motion. Let's go. 1, 2, then you turn. 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, simultaneously. I can see you're learning something. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. 1, more energy. 1, 2, 1, 2, and that is it, guys. So we're gonna go into our third style, the same posture of this style. We're gonna just change the way we are using our arms, and we're gonna do this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, to the right, to the left. 1, 2, 3, and that is it. So it's just like a repetition, but with more advanced manner. So let's get into it. I'm gonna do it in a slow motion so that you can get to understand. It's like you're piling up things. Can you understand? Yeah. To the right. 1, 2, 3, then go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, add more energy. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and that is it, guys. So I'm gonna teach you the 4 styles. The 4th style, it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, go. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the 4th side. Yeah, that is it. So guys, this style, it is just like an old style. I know you have seen it in some old song, but let's get to learn it. It is just moving forward, a step forward, then a step backward. You go 1 and 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then that time. 1, 2. Then you turn, and then you come to the same position. So guys, that is our 4th style. And then the last and the most simplest style that I have ever seen, it is a Niger dance. It is shaku shaku. You lift and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4. You get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4. So guys, I'm gonna do this style in a slow motion so that you can get to understand it. What you have to do, let me face this way so that you can get to see me well. You move your knees down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up, and you have to be in a lower level. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get it's like you're going down and then you're coming up slowly. Let's get into it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, that is our last dance move. So if you want to learn more dance style, please consider subscribing into this channel. Share this content so that we can get to grow this family. Until next time, peace out. Below.